I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com, and today we're going to break down the $169 Alpinestars T-Faster Air textile jacket. Yep, I'm pretty excited about that price, but before I go any further, please understand we don't update videos when the pricing changes, only if the product itself has been redesigned. I love that this is so far south of $200, and you get that iconic Alpinestars logo, and notice that is embroidered on here, right? On this jacket. It's a quality piece, it's really affordable, and this is designed for hot weather riding, which, I don't know, man, about you, but newsflash, I only want to ride when it's sunny and warm outside. Riding in the rain, that's for adventure riders, dude. I want to be on a sport bike in the sunshine, enjoying myself. Let's talk sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, about 205 pounds, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size extra large in this coat right now. It gives me the fit and feel that I would want for myself when riding. Please use the information I just gave you there along with a size chart on our website to help determine the size that's going to be best for you. Features and benefits. This jacket includes CE certified armor in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. Previously, there used to be foam inserts in the back and chest on Alpinestars jackets. That is no longer happening. It's a new CE regulation. Honestly, that stuff would just give you a false sense of security. If you want armor in the back and chest, we're going to break that all down in the second part of this video. They have very affordably priced inserts. Just take a look at it and snatch those up when you buy the jacket if you want them. Features bennies. Look at this kick-ass mess. Nice aggressive weave, really looks cool. I already said that logo is embroidered. That's just better quality than the screen printed stuff. We have zipper hand warmer style storage pockets both sides. Volume adjustments here at the cuff, down here at the waist are both done with Velcro. Give you another close look at the back of the jacket. Other storage found in this coat. 2 slip pockets with Velcro closures on the inside. It's important to note this jacket doesn't include their waterproof pocket. You just kind of trade some things off to get to a price point, and I like that they kept the quality of the coat high and it still accepts the armor inserts. You get the CE stuff in the shoulder, elbow, and forearm, right? But you're missing the waterproof pocket. But hey, once again, who wants to ride in the rain anyways? It sucks, man. If you like what you see and you want more details, stay tuned for the second part of this video. I'm going to disassemble this coat and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, now an inside-out look of the T-Faster Air jacket from A-Stars. Let's start with the armor that comes included with the jacket. We have CE certified bio armor in the shoulders, elbows, and forearms. Low profile, moldable, flexible, comfortable, ventilated. This material is pretty cool. The warmer it gets, the more comfortable it becomes. Here is the elbow piece. There are pockets to accept back armor and pockets to accept chest armor. All those pieces are sold separate, and there are options. The chest armor is right here. Low profile. It's very similar to that material right there. This is their Nucleon chest. Slides into pockets, integrated inside the coat, and I'll show you these in a minute. For the back, we have 3 options. I'm showing you the middle of the road option right now that go from $39 to $79. This one retails for $59, CE certified. It is their KR2. This is good quality stuff, a lot of protection. I really believe that this is worth adding to the jacket. Shell of the coat itself. Got some nice robust mesh fabric, an embroidered Alpinestars logo here at the base of the jacket, a little color blocking right here. Volume adjuster here at the waist is done with Velcro and textile. A little bit of stretch fabric here adds some mobility to this coat. Little detail up here with some foam behind it. Gives that pseudo race hump look. Sleeve of the coat. In the impact zones, we have more abrasion resistant textile material. Reflective patch here in the upper arm. Embroidered A-Star logo. Nice mesh panel here for ventilation. Inner arm is done in textile. Front of the coat. Large mesh panel all here in the center, embroidered logo split by the zipper, really looks cool. I love the fact this jacket is way under 200 bucks. We have zippered hand warmer storage style pockets both sides, and that's a large hole. You can see that right there, right? I can easily get my hand in and out. With some of the thinner gloves, you'd be able to open the pocket, get your hand in and out with the gloves on. Comfort fabric lined collar. That's a spacer fabric, maintains a pocket of air between your neck and the shell of the coat, just helps keep you cool and comfortable. Inside the jacket, 2 storage pockets, one on the left, one on the right, both have Velcro closures built in. If you want to use one of the Alpinestars full back protector options with the snap, you can do that. If not, you can just take this piece off just to increase a little comfort so you don't feel that there. So now for the back protection, if you decide you want to add it, here is the pocket for that. It's very simple. We have a size chart within the listing. It's the size you're going to choose depends on the size jacket that you wear. You want to get the stuff warmed up just a little bit, get it slid in there. The warmer it is, the more moldable it is, like so. Get it to flatten out. And once you wear this, transfer some heat into it, it only gets more comfortable. Now for the chest armor, you need to undo the zipper here at the base of the coat. Come on up inside the liner. I'll do the best I can to show you exactly what you need to look for. Turn it inside out like so. Okay, and here is that chest pocket. This is just Velcro, super simple stuff. You want to get the appropriate piece, and they are marked right or left. Slide it into position like so. We do have a size chart for the chest armor on the site as well. Pretty simple stuff. Go ahead and get your Velcro all done up. And once you have it all secured, go ahead and slip it back in. Like so. All in all, what do I think of the coat? I love the $169 price point. It gives you that opportunity to get a great warm weather riding jacket. It's got that iconic Alpinestars logo. It's a quality piece. It's not a high-end technical piece. It's affordable. You're going to dig it. It's great for the warm weather. This is the T Faster. Highly recommend it. If this is your budget area, you want an A-Stars coat, pull the trigger. You're going to love the coat.